Hey guys, Kips here and welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first proper video on here. I hope you guys are all okay and you've had a fantastic day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through my daily routine to obtaining cryptocurrencies for free. It's my goal for the rest of 2020 and 2021 to try and obtain cryptocurrencies in a more diverse fashion rather than just buying them with fiat and trading them. So this is my daily routine. Hopefully it gives you some ideas and there will be the links in the description below, I should say. If you want to try these out yourself, go and check them out. That does also help support the channel and it'll be much appreciated. And also, if you find value in today's video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe/follow. If you don't like today's video, don't worry, you can give it a thumbs down. I don't mind. But anyway, let's get into my daily routine. So what do I tend to do? Well, I wake up in the morning, have a coffee, take a shower, brush my teeth. No, I'm joking. The first thing I do is I boot up my PC and I go into my cryptocurrency faucets. Now, faucets are known for not paying the greatest, and to be honest, I do recommend these if you're getting into cryptocurrencies for the very first time. It's a great introduction to it, but they can also be used for, wait for it, free cryptocurrencies. The first faucet I always do every single day is the Zen faucet. Now the Zen faucet is developed by the actual developers of Horizon, and the thing which I really love about this faucet is there's no rubbish. There's no, click on these surveys, do these surveys, click on these ads, these links, or, there's no, oh, you've got to have $15 of Zen to be able to withdraw it. Nope, this is literally, you go in here, you roll it, it goes direct to the Horizon wallet, and it's yours. There's no rubbish with this one, and I honestly have to highly recommend this because it's just so simple. It literally takes 10 seconds of your time every 20 hours and it's really good. But before we take a look through the actual platform, Horizon or Zen, and the Zennies are your Satoshis to your Bitcoin if you want to call them that, is currently worth $5.47 and its highest price I believe was about $62 if we can do that. God, I hate coin market cap sometimes. $62.83. So quite a nice room to grow. And also the great thing about this coin is it's not one of your trash coins. It's currently ranked 95 on coin market cap, and in general, am I bullish for Zen? About 70%, yeah. But the faucet is really good. So what I tend to do is, you come in here, you click I'm human, select the most accurate hairstyle. That's a really strange capture right there, but you literally do your capture, you hit claim, there we go. That's how you do it. So as you can see here, there is bonuses. I'll go through those in a second, but you can see here I've won 84,000 Zennies. Base value was 39, but I got the multiplier in there as well, plus a verified email address multiplier of 1.5 using the Brave browser, which, spoilers, I will talk a little bit more about in this video. Social media bonus and a hodl bonus. And that's literally gone direct to my wallet. I can go and claim that, take it out of the wallet, sell it, but I'm going to hold it because I really do think Horizon could go back up to $60. If I actually refresh this page, you can see the gold star has changed. So there is daily bonuses. On day 1, you get no bonus. Day 2, 1.2. You can read them there. Day 5 is the special one because you get a 1.8 times bonus roll plus another bonus round where you can earn up to 1 Zen, which $5.50 at the moment is pretty good. So how do you actually get the bonuses on here? Well, if you click on extra rewards at the top here, it will take you to your rewards page. So you can see I've not really utilized this the best, but you can see you get up to 1.9 times a boost if you link a Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn account. You get 20% extra rewards if you use the Brave browser, which yeah, like I said, we'll talk about that later in this video. And you get the hodl bonus. So the more you're holding in your wallet, the more you'll get. What my plan is, I'm going to wait for the price to come down a little bit lower, and then I'm going to buy 10, put it in the wallet, and just hold them there because it's a 3 times bonus, and well, yeah, it's really worth it. Okay, on to the second faucet, and that is Coin Supply. Now, Coin Supply is your more traditional faucet. It's got the ability to do surveys, pay-to-click links, stuff like that, but it does have a daily or a 2 daily roll faucet, which you can do. So if you click on faucet on the left here, you can click roll and win. You can do the solve the capture, so that's math test. Make sure we put a space in there. So you can roll that, it goes down to 11 and it goes, woo, that was a horrible one. Yeah, we got 17 prime numbers paying extra. Oh, we got 10. I thought we got prime there. So we got 10 coins, which is trash. But you can see on the right here, there's a multiplier which goes up or down. There's a jackpot. So if you roll 99999999, you get 463,000 coins, which is very nice. But you can see here, depending on what you roll is dependent on what you get. There's a loyalty bonus on here as well. In all honesty, this is nice, this faucet, but the surveys pay the best. So if you can see at the bottom right here, for instance, we just got 10 coin there. But if I come down here, you can see, for instance, yeah, I completed some surveys here and got a lot more. 1,735 coins, 561 coins. So if you've got the time, try the surveys. But I myself, very busy person, so I just come in and roll this. On to my next website, and that is Trust Dice. Now, Trust Dice is actually a gambling website, but they do have a faucet in here. So it's a really, really simple one. Again, it's literally 2 seconds of your time. You just come in here, you click on Coinbox Faucet at the top here, and you can select anything from EOS, BTC, ETH, USDT, TXT, Vita, UUU. Just to show you that you can do it, I'm going to click on claim the BTC there. That's a bicycle, that's a bicycle, that's a bicycle, that's a bicycle. Is that a bike? Yeah, we'll say it's a bike. It's probably not. I absolutely hate these. Verify, there we go. And there we go. We have got our free BTC, which we can see now at the top there. So yeah, Trust Dice. Not really much else to say on that one. Okay, on to my next faucet, and this is not actually a faucet website as such. This is GraviX. GraviX is actually a exchange, and it's known for having some of your more low cap coins, shall we say, but they do have a faucet on here as well. And this is one of these ones you could really spend your whole day doing if you really wanted to, if you hated your life. But they have a faucet here for all of these coins. Now you can see here, basically you can see the payouts, so that's the amount of coin you're gonna get, and the Satoshi amount. So the way I do this is I come into here and I'll pick any of the ones which actually give a decent amount of Satoshi. So you can see here Doge is giving 13.2 Satoshi, which, yeah, it's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's better. You can see here VIP is 0.17. So you can see all of these are currently on cooldown. These are the cooldowns, and what I'm saying is, yeah, you could literally spend all day doing this because that's a less than a minute cooldown. You could spam click this one if you really wanted to. But for example, I'm going to do this, 10 Bible pay there if you wanted, 11 HPTF, whatever that is, I don't know. But let's just do this TZC. So all you do is you take it, you fill this out, MDSMZ. Have I done that right? I think I've done that right. And there you go, payout successful. And then the final faucet, which I do look at, and this is more of a traditional-ish faucet, is Fire Faucet. Now this one I've literally just started testing because I've only just found out about it, but I'm going to be honest, I quite like this one. It's got some good little quirks to it, which makes it different to like Cointoply and other ones out there. I really do like this. So you have these things called auto claim points. Now, how do these work? Well, two ways basically. You can either directly convert these into a cryptocurrency of your choice. So I can say I want some Tron. There we go. You get some Tron for it if you want. Or you could come into here and do a auto faucet. And the way the auto faucet works is it will count down every, I think it's 30 seconds, and it will slowly chip away at those. But it's basically like mining, but not mining. Got a little daily bonus here. What do we get? Oh God, here we go again. Oh no, we don't have to do anything. There we go. We got 85 auto claim points. Bam, fantastic. So that's all pretty simple, but there's one thing on this website which I really, really do quite like, and that is the leveling system. The gamer inside of me is like, I see levels, I have to get there. And so you can see currently I'm level 11, which is absolutely nothing, but when you level up, you get a reward. So you get some Satoshi and you get a bonus to all your rewards. This goes up, I believe, to 2,000 if I just change this. I believe it's 2,000. Yeah, 2,000. You can go, I think they're going to implement more, but 2,000 is currently the max. So once you hit level 2,000, you get 4,008 Satoshi and a 2x bonus reward on everything you get from the website, which is, in my opinion, really, really nice. So that usually takes around about 20 minutes in my morning to go through all of the faucets, claim it, do all that stuff. It's literally so quick and easy for some free crypto. It's just unbelievable. But after I've done all of that, I have a sip of my coffee, and then I say to myself, you know what? It's now time to do the thing I absolutely love, and I'm so bullish about this project. It's unbelievable, and that is LBRY. Now, I know some of you will be watching this on LBRY, and if you are, well done to you. But if you're not, if you're watching this on YouTube or some random website which this video appears on, LBRY is the cryptocurrencies version, the contender, shall we say, of YouTube. And why I'm so bullish with LBRY is, number one, the price is so dirt cheap, but we'll get onto that in a second. But number one, the user amounts, or the amount of people using LBRY, is growing month on month. There's more and more people using it, there's more and more content going onto the platform, and overall, it's just growing month on month, which for me is the indicator that people want this service. But number two, the biggest thing which makes me so bullish on this platform, is that it is solving a problem. And my one tip for this video in cryptocurrency, if you're looking at cryptocurrencies, make sure they're solving a legitimate problem and not a problem they've made up, like many cryptocurrencies tend to do. LBRY is solving the problem of YouTube. What's wrong with YouTube? The censorship on YouTube. So let's take a look at the price of LBRY, and then I'll go through what I tend to do every single day on LBRY to get my LBC. So currently LBRY is valued at 4.8 cent, dirt cheap. It's ranked 164 on CoinMarketCap. Its all-time high was $1.20 with $170 million market cap. Now, for me, I honestly believe, and this is not me hoping, but believing, that this is a $2 coin. Okay, so what do I tend to do on LBRY? So LBRY is fantastic in the sense that you don't have to just create content. You get rewarded for actually using the platform, which is fantastic because, you know, so many times on YouTube, you hear the content creators saying, yeah, thank you for 1 million subscribers. Like, well, what have I got for that? You know, you've got 1 million subscribers. You're making, you know, tens of thousands a month, and I'm just watching you make the money. So LBRY is here. It's rewarding not only the content creator, but also the viewer. Number one, now these are tiered. You can see, or levels, I should say. So I'm currently on level 5 here, but, you know, there's stuff above and below all of that. So currently 1,000 views, I'll get 100 LBC. So I need to watch 1,000 videos pretty much. This one, if you've got time to watch, I think, yeah, 10 videos technically a day, go for it. You're gonna get free LBC. The faithful followers, so follow your favorite creators, follow 10 creators for level 3. So I follow 7. The reason why I don't follow many people on here is because I actually want to use the service and not spam it full of, you could come on here and you could follow hundreds of people if you really wanted to. I don't want to do that. And I'm not going to do it for some LBC to ruin my experience on here. But if you want to, go ahead. It's there for you to do it. Follow everyone if you want to. But the main one, which I do every single day, and sorry, we got a bit sidetracked there, is the daily watch reward. Now, the daily watch reward resets every 24 hours, and you can get rewarded anywhere between 1 to 100 LBC. Also, invites. So, guys, if you want free 15 LBC, there's a link in the description below to get free 15 LBC and get you started on the platform. But yeah, basically all I do every single day is I come into here. Yeah, I've got the people I like to watch on here, and I like Mr. Nick here, so I click on his video, with, and it takes its loading time if my internet's not trash. There we go. Boom, 4 LBC. You don't have to watch the whole thing. I know it's so bad of me, but for the sake of this video, you don't have to watch the whole thing. You get your reward. So I got 4 LBC there, which if I come into the rewards section here, you can see in 23 hours, I can then get or watch another video and get anywhere between 1 and 100. Realistically, guys, you're going to get 1 to 2, but I think last week I got 70, and I think the best I've got was 85, I believe. So there is the potential to get high amounts of LBC, and just hold it. Just hold the dang coin, because it's so good, this platform, and you're going to be happy if you hold it. And the final thing which I do is I use Brave Browser. And this is such a stupid one to say, but Brave Browser is literally paying you to see adverts. It has an inbuilt ad block which blocks adverts, which you can control up here, which I'm going to show you on, let's for example use CoinMarketCap. I've currently got ads blocked, tracking, all of that. I can turn this off. It'll reload the page, and now look, bam, you can see these adverts here. I don't want to see that, so they're gone. They're gone. But the great thing about the Brave Browser is it pays you to view ads, and the little windows pop up will come up in the bottom right here. You literally pops up, click close, you get paid. I've been using Brave on my phone for months now, and I don't know why I haven't been using it on my PC for so long. So I've actually just been using this, I believe, for I think it's 2 weeks now. But you can see 2 weeks, I've got $3.04, and that's equivalent to 14.7 bats. So I'm going to say maybe over a month you can get $6 from this, which if you're using it as a browser, it's free cryptocurrency, and why not? Why not? You can literally transfer your Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, all of your profile into browse. It's safe, secure, it's got inbuilt ad blocker, and it's paying you to view ads rather than you get nothing. Also, the main reason why I also use Brave is because of this, the 20% extra Faucet rewards on the Zen Faucet. So why not? Do you not want 20% extra Zen? Do you not want some BAT? Why not? So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I do every single day to grow my portfolio. It's not going to make me rich overnight, I know that, but it's free cryptocurrency, and it all adds up in the end. Remember guys, if you got value out of today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe/follow for some more crypto content, which I have a ton planned for in the future. And until then guys, cheers, Kips out.